how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Here I'm again with another Christmas light. This is curtain light with 384 leads here, and here also information is written. 6 meter wide, 2 meter height, 24 lines of light you have connected with the plug directly, no battery. The battery, you have to spend a lot of money buying batteries on that. Model number here, origin is China, coming from China. Let me take this off, this pack. There we go. Similar as other one, but more bigger. It's big, you see, huge, a lot of lights. 384, almost 400 lights in this. See the plug, you can ask European plug, American plug, depends where you are. Here is, you can see a controller. With this you can control 8 model, 8 option. You have 8 blinking. If you click, it will change the blinking of the light. But look at this, this is very lovely. As usual, I like more this one, this classical one, than the latest one, the more slim light. They're so much difficult to organize. If you have 200, 300, 600 light, they make a mess out of it. This one is more easy to save as well. So after Christmas, if you want to pack it back and save as it is comes, okay. You can see here how it looks. This is the button, you can change the mood of the light blinking, every option. So this is 384 light you have here together. Obviously when you hung them it will look much better. This doesn't have any music because sometimes music is bothering, so only light in this case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.